What's up, guys? Tyler Splinger, TNA Vlogs, back or TNJ, yeah, my friend's name. But we have not posted any videos in a couple of months now. I'm sorry for that. We did say that we were going to try to be doing like daily videos, but that's not happening. I haven't hung out with Aiden because he's been doing things with his dad for like a haunted house. But today it was kind of raining earlier, so I'm just gonna do like a bike check video or something kind of like I guess it's kind of like a bike check, I think. But yeah, let me just go get my bike out. I need to find a place to put my camera. It may be crooked. So this is not really a complete, well, I don't know, I kind of just built it up. Focus. Oh, my camera isn't focusing. Alright, there it is. Alright. So I still have the purple frame. Same frame, just got different stickers. So I have the same seat. Alright, so these are the new things that I got. So I got a crown rise. I just took a picture on iPhone, so I got a Sunday stem, Sunday compression cap bolt, Sunday forks. I have Sabrosa handlebars, ODI grips. I have Odyssey pedals, Haro cranks, and I have a Hyper Wizard sprocket. I just have a Walmart chain on there because I'm too lazy to go buy one off of Amazon. Same with the other side, Odyssey pedals and cranks and Haro cranks. I just have a Mongoose back. I need to start taking pictures for some reason. So yeah, I have a Mongoose peg that I just have one in the back, only one, see, and none in the front. Because honestly, I'm learning how to do, what's it called? Peg manuals, and I can do them a lot better. I'll show you a clip of that. I have a Mongoose front rim because I'm too lazy to go buy one. Kenda contact tires, or tire. I have a white wall Mongoose tire in the back. And then I have I forget what kind of hub that is, but the rim is from my friend's Hoffman that he gave me. So I have a Hoffman hub, I think, in the back. I really need to clean this bike out, but I'll show you part of the peg manual right now. And as you can see, my bike is a lot louder. It has a lot newer parts. I do not have any threaded headsets anymore, so I'm happy with that. Hold on, let me just get the camera set up. Let me just find a good place. I don't know where to put it. I might be able to put it right here. I think that's good. Alright. So I'm gonna try to do a peg manual either coming from over there or coming from over there. Oh yeah, and I'm in flip-flops, so this isn't really comfortable for me. Hold on. I can't do this, hold on. Ground's too wet and I'm wearing flip-flops, so I'm like sliding off the back leg. Oh God. So, yeah. I'm gonna clean my bike off now. Really need to get cleaned. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, I actually have a dent in my frame right there because my friend hit a hammer on it. Yeah, so now I'm gonna clean off my bike. Sorry about how I'm breathing so heavily. I like woke up not too long ago. Well, oh wait, no. There are people that are building the wall over there, kind of. Yeah. I'm gonna check. Wait, no. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Oh, so guess what? Found out that I don't have any hoses. So, you know, not good. Oh yeah, I forgot to say something. So, these are 8.7 rise bars. Yeah. I forget how long the cranks are, and I don't know what the frame is because this is my friend's old frame. So, yeah. Well, that's basically my bike right there. Comment down below if you like it. Oh yeah. And if you guys don't watch my old videos, these are my old handlebars right there. And these are the cranks that originally came with the what's it called? Spindle inside. I just ended up putting the Haro ones on because they are more professional. Even though those ones have the screw-on cap that connect to the sprocket, but I don't have that thing. That's why I put these on. But these ones don't. If you can see it right there, the nub is sticking out. The back hub is a seal bearing hub, and the front is non-sealed. Yeah. So I have a frame that I am giving away. So if we can hit over, let me give it a goal, 50 subscribers, and I'll give away this frame. Just a frame though, because I don't have any other parts for it. Well, they're already on it, but they're not professional parts. So if you're a rider and you crack your frame, but you still have your good parts and stuff, here's the frame. This is supposed to be like my, what's it called? I forget what it's called. Oh God, I just fell. Slid down a rock. So if you guys have cracked your frame, looking for a new one, this has the small dropouts in the back. So make sure you have a small dropout wheel with it. and you'll be good. So yeah, it's a red frame. I know the guy who welded it for me. He's a friend of mine. These are the cranks that would go with it. I don't know why I keep taking pictures. For some reason I am. Yeah, these are the cranks that go with it. They are kind of like the Merit ones that have like the wedge mechanism thing, but these don't. But they have like the same design, basically. So, but the only reason why I can't really give away these crank things are because I was trying to take off the crank, and when I was loosening the bolt, it actually snapped right there. So I kind of, but if you can get it out, then you can have all the parts. So yeah. It does not come with a chain. Yeah. Oh, I am giving away pedals right here. Well, I've like never used them. Those are them. I'm giving those away. I am giving away this right here, half-link chain. I don't ride half-links. I know people that do, but I am not the type that does. They are stronger, but I am just not one of the people who like half-links. Because for me, I know people who definitely ride them. I know people who think that they're like awesome chains, but me, not really. I don't really like them because my friend actually had one of them, and I don't know why. I just don't like them. I mean, I actually am getting a chain with a half link in it, just one half link, and the rest are regular chains. So it has more of a tighter fit, but the chain won't break, so I'm happy about that. Yeah. So this is my setup. Oh, yeah, I have a weird spacer in there. So basically, it's kind of like the crown thing right here, right there, that I put right here, and it works just good as it works perfectly like a spacer. And I have two of them right there, and it makes it so the bars won't like jiggle when you land really hard. I don't know how, but I just started riding like that, and it works perfectly fine. I'm just trying to find a way to get my phone or camera just set up. Yeah. So I do not have my vlogging camera yet. I am using my phone right now, but I have like this camera thing set up to it. I do not have any mics on it right now, but yeah. I have a Rent rim right here, as you can see right there, Rent. No cracks in it. I have used it, but yeah, there are no cracks whatsoever. If you guys want it, it's up to you. And I am actually building this hub right here. Yeah, Rent hub. I'm building this thing. I need to get paws for it. Yeah. Well, that's my setup. Peace.